Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make super amazing, delicious, smothered style collard green. Very flavorful and tasty. Plenty of ingredients, let's check it out. So guys, here are my ingredients for this recipe. Of course, all the same ingredients will definitely be in the description of the video, so you can always check it out. Fresh collard green, white onion preferable, tomato, garlic, spring onion, and also bacon. You do have the option as far as using any kind of bacon that you come to be using, and also add pepper. Next up, we basically go ahead and start prepping my ingredients. So guys, as you can see, what I have is about 10 slices of bacon. This recipe is going to be so tasty and flavorful due to the fact that the bacon I'm using have a bit of fat content, exactly what you need for this recipe. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and chop them into small pieces. So guys, when it comes to making this kind of dishes, by all means try to use fresh collard green. It makes a big difference when it comes to taste and flavor. First thing first, you definitely want to go ahead and remove the outer stem. Guys, here I'm going to chop the ingredients. Next time, basically go ahead and add these to your pot. So guys, for this recipe, I decided to use the non-stick pot, which is highly preferable. You don't want your ingredients to stick or burn. It gives it a different flavor. First thing first, I'm going to go ahead and add my bacon. Take a look at this, guys. As you notice, my bacon started to give that lovely brown golden color, exactly what you're looking for, and also reduce in size. So guys, at this point I'm gonna go ahead and add my ingredients. Actually, what I did, I went ahead and removed a bit of oil from the bacon. First thing first, you want to go ahead and add your onion. Garlic and a bit of pepper as well. Spring onions. Also your tomatoes. At this point you want to maintain a constant stir. Adding my collard green. So at this point, you definitely want to go ahead and reduce your temperature. this point, guys, you want to go ahead and add your black pepper. And also for flavor, you definitely go ahead and add a bit of chicken cube seasoning. So guys, there will be no salt added due to the fact that the bacon have a bit of salt content. I decided to go with a bit of chicken cube seasoning instead. Guys, at this point we're all done. As always, thank you for watching. Until next time, delicious modern style collard green.